This complete camp cooking and eating kit is built for 4 and joins together Kelty's durable 304 grade stainless steel pot, pan, and silverware, with preserves everyday bowls and plates which are made from 100% recycled materials. The 6.5 quart pot comes with lid and oversized handles for easy carrying, even with gloves on. The frying pan with lid features sturdy, interlocking silicone handles, giving you something substantial to hold onto as you fry up breakfast for your crew. And we're not messing around with the silverware. These stainless steel sets feature knives that will actually cut through steak for that camper with the most discerning of tastes. The 4 color-coded plates and bowls mean each member of the family has their own set for the duration of the trip. As an added bonus, this whole kit is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning when you get home. All of the stainless items impressively stashed inside the camp pot, and these come with mesh storage bags, meaning the camp kitchen stores small and works smart, so you can eat big in the great outdoors.
Cook your meals, charge your gear, and support the planet with the BioLite CampStove 2 Bundle, Climate Neutral Edition. Featuring the wood-burning CampStove 2, FlexLight, kettle pot, and portable grill, all in a sleek gray-black colorway, you can cook, boil, and grill with this fully integrated system. Turn fire into electricity with the CampStove's flagship thermoelectric technology. The patented design creates smokeless flames and on-demand energy using nothing but the sticks and twigs around you. Designed for travel, the kettle pot doubles as a carrying case for your stove, and the grill packs up flat with an included cover that also works as a plate or cutting board. While every piece of gear from BioLite is carbon neutral, this special edition kit goes even further, with 10% of every sale going to Climate Neutral, a nonprofit dedicated to helping all brands measure, reduce, and offset their carbon footprint. Leave the gas canisters behind and enjoy a complete camp kitchen that creates wood-fired energy and contributes to protecting the outdoors we all love.
There's nothing quite like cooking over a cast iron skillet outdoors. The pre-seasoned cast iron cook set includes a 10-inch fry pan, 3-quart chicken fryer, and 4-quart Dutch oven. The included lid is interchangeable for all pieces in the set, and accessories include a Dutch oven lid lifter and a hot handle holder. The cast iron set comes pre-seasoned and evenly distributes heat when cooking. Even heating means faster cooking without having to manage the heat source or rotate the pans. If your campsite doesn't have a grill, we've got you covered. Our cast iron campfire tripod and our heavy-duty grill rack are both great additions when cooking over the fire. Both items are sold separately. The rustic look of cast iron, matched with long-lasting construction, has a rich history in outdoor cooking, but is frequently used for indoor cooking as well. The pre-seasoned cast iron cook set is one of our most versatile products, offering an ease to cooking from your home kitchen to the cabin to the great outdoors.
Hey everybody, this is the Eureka Ignite Plus. It's the bigger brother to the regular Ignite, and it's the perfect stove to bring with you anytime you want complete kitchen performance with you while you're camping. Most other camp stoves seem to have 2 settings, on or off. And that means you're either blasting the heat and burning your food, or you're undercooking it. With the Ignite Plus, you get a huge range of adjustability thanks to Eureka's 2-turn ultimate simmer control. This allows you to really dial in the heat output of each burner individually, so you can boil water for coffee on one and simmer scrambled eggs on the other. It also comes with a push-button igniter that's really reliable, so you don't have to worry about bringing a lighter with you. The burners are spaced far enough apart that you can get 2 12-inch pans on there, no problem. That gives you a ton of options when it comes time to cook meals for your group. The Ignite Plus comes with a regulator for hooking up your propane bottle, and it's also JetLink compatible, which means you can daisy chain it to other Eureka and JetBoil systems like the Gonzo grill that we have right here. Beyond that, the Ignite Plus has adjustable rubber leveling feet that are non-slip and ensure you have a level cooking surface. All in all, the Ignite Plus is a fantastic stove that lets you bring the cooking performance of your kitchen range with you camping.
The Katadyn Gravity BeFree 3-liter water filter has you covered. It stores enough clean water for your base camp needs with easy clean filter technology that protects you from harmful organisms like protozoa and bacteria, whether you're filling up at a stream, lake, or other questionable water source. When you're whipping up a meal for the group or just hanging around camp, the filter's free flow channels allow you to access clean water fast and easily. It's simple to clean and lightweight with no need for backflushing or extra tools. It's the only microfilter that cleans easily with a shake or a swish through your water source to remove dirt and debris. The hose and carry strap make it easy to fill up before you head out for a day on the trail, and will keep your pup hydrated too. So on your next camping trip, don't worry about where your next drink of water will come from.